Hot, yes. Portland, Michigan. Hey guys, there's a CN northbound coming on the Mount Clemens subway now. Going really slow though. So, I don't know if it's gonna stop or what. It shouldn't, because it's in the yellow, so. I hear it, but. There it is. Comes. I think it's L533 or M382, it's hard to tell. Hang on. I'll let you know in a minute. Here comes Portland, Michigan. M382, yep. Wait. Hi. 3873, 3804, 3830, 3894. Anniversary unit. 2276. Away. Cool. There you go. M382. Yeah, awesome. We got the big one. You might stop, so I don't know. It depends what the signal up there is doing. This one was yellow, but the one up there might be red. I don't know. We'll find out. But there's another westbound up there. It's parking, you know, but park for hours, so, okay. This is here at M382 northbound, so. Had a lot of engines on it. Let's give you the last train, okay? There's a new tanker, Sorry, the sun's here. Let's keep it like this, okay? It's just the sun's a little hard to see. Hard to see with the sun shining, you know? So we'll keep it like this for this train, okay? Yeah, he's stopping. Yep. Because the signal up there is red, I think. If he stops, we'll have to go the other way. Let's cross our fingers and hopefully it goes through. Always depends on the signal, so. Just because it's yellow doesn't mean it'll go straight through, so. I finally learned about it, so stop it. I can tell how slow he's moving, so. Please don't stop, train. It might, man. It might. Okay? You have to do the job, that's all. The crews have to do their job. I haven't had seen it before. Plus the other trains, there might be a train coming out of Canada, I don't know. You may speed up, I don't know. Go to Canada, I don't know. I doubt it, stop. That's a bridge northbound, huh? M382, I knew it. This train is CN M382 northbound, which from Toledo, Ohio, bound for Toronto, Ontario, Canada, mixed flight, so good train. First eastbound was M382, so the second eastbound is CSSD 711, and this one's CN northbound M382, so this should be the last train for today, okay? We got plans, obviously, but that's okay. It happens. Oh, that could be it. He may stop. Oh, whoa, look at those pipes. At least we got that. Look at that. Pipes on the M382. Holy crap. Look at that. We don't see that often, do we? Those are pipes. How many? Two more after these ones. Cool. Look at that. Sorry about that. I think the L533 is behind this one. I don't know. It probably is, but we can't wait around for it unless it's coming. I'll look after this train passes. It's probably in Mount Clemens still working, so we'll see. Okay, look at that graffiti. That's funny. Stupid app. Sorry, the app kind of messed me up on the phone. Big boxcar, not that big, but it's a TN boxcar. Empty lumber car. Auto axe coming up. Sorry. That train had a lot of engines on that one, you know? Yeah. Finally, we got a close-up train. The first one was hard because there was some crews what cranking crews, but that's alright. And the second one, there was someone watching me, so not this time, so that's good. Good train. Oh, there's the other axe. A lot of other axe too, hang on. There's a BNSF other axe. There's cars in them, and yeah, look at those cars. There's cars in them. You can see them a little bit. See? A lot of cars in the other axe, huh? Even trucks and cars. It's kind of cool. Nice. Good feeling. I'm hot, man. Maybe it's starting to pick up speed a bit. Might be stopping. Can't tell. Hang on. It's because he's going in the yard, so kind of like Woodhaven and Trenton, you know. Stopping, huh? Yep, it's stopping. That's okay. We still got it, look. Or stopped. Alright, we're gonna stop the video. We have to get going, okay? Alright, put on Michigan.